Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide messages on lock screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our settings application, and after we have the settings application opened, we can go to the lock screen setting. This one, guys, click on this lock screen, and then we're going to edit the lock screen to hide the messages on our lock screen. We can click on the edit button right here on the lock screen option, and as you can see, guys, that every time I got messages, the messages will be displayed on my lock screen like this. This is the preview, and I'm just going to change it. We can click on this option, then we can select none to hide the messages on our lock screen. And actually, you can choose the icon only, so only the icon of the app which give you messages that will be displayed on the lock screen, but I prefer this one. Then we can click on done. Okay, and after you change the lock screen notification or the lock screen preview, the messages won't be shown on your lock screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide messages on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.